So I went to the mall yesterday with one of my peoples from Queens. He came all the way to the great state of New Jersey to come see me, and then not only did he come to my city, which is Newark, he even caught the bus with me all the way to the next city, Elizabeth, to go to the mall. So anyway, only spent like $100 because payday is tomorrow, which is Thursday, April 1st. Oh my God, tomorrow is April Fool's. I'm gonna, woo, you just wait. I have to make sure I record what I do tomorrow. But anyway, that's besides the point. So I brought some things I would like to share with you guys. Don't be jocking my swag and going out and copping the same thing neither. But I just thought I want to show you. So the first place I went is Bath and Body Works, and I brought a couple of things. I brought this lotion called Night Blooming Jasmine, which smells a lot like, what's the other one? Something cherry. I also brought that one too. Cherry Blossom. Now, that's not it. Come on, where are you? Where are you? Somebody stole my lotion. Oh, here we go. It's right here. Now, I've had this one and this bottle when I was in high school. This and this actually smell alike, except one of these is a little stronger, but I don't remember which one. But they smell very good, so nonetheless, I'm happy. But remember, these things are not cheap. This one, I don't know because I don't see a price tag on it. Oh, right now, let me tell you. Bath and Body Works has a sale. There's like buy 2 get 1 free, or you can buy 3 and get 2 free. So of course I brought 3 and got 2 free, and I put the most expensive ones on the counter first so she can ring those up. No, I put the cheapest ones on the counter first, and then I got the more expensive ones for free. But this one, this Cherry Blossom one, oh, let me tell you, this is like 8 ounce, right? There was a 2 ounce one that was $10. I'm like, why not add $2 and get 6 extra ounces? Like, I didn't understand that. But this smells banging. I don't know how much this one costs. I'm missing one if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, I'm sorry. It's called Sensual Amber. This smells sexy. It kind of smells like, let me see. It smells like vanilla and cinnamon together. That's something you walk past somebody on the street and they be like, "Oh girl, what you wearing?" Sensual Amber. And then I brought Moonlight Magic. Now, I heard about this at work because, you know, I work in the airport, if you guys didn't know, and we have people who know us, who sell oils and lotions and perfumes, and then there's a perfume stand right across from me. And so anyway, there's this guy I buy oils from, and then there's this guy that my manager knows, and he had this lotion. So, you know, what caught my attention was the color, because I never seen a lotion bottle that was purple, and the way that the letters are written on it, because it's like 70s style, like a groovy dude I'm smoking kind of vibe, you see? And my manager asked him for some, and when she put it on, I smelled it all the way across the counter, and it smelled so freaking good that I had to ask him, "Hey, are you selling that?" And he told me no. So therefore I asked him, "Where can I buy it at?" And he told me Bath and Body Works. Now this costs $12, but the smell is terrific. Trust me when I tell you. If you go out and cop this, like, I'll let you cop this, because I feel like this needs to get on. It's called Moonlight Magic, and it says, what does that say? Moonlight Magic. Oh, Moonlight Magic again. Okay. They just wrote it in different ways. But nonetheless, that smells sexy. And if you're following me on Twitter, you probably saw this picture and read my post about it. But if not, and if you want to follow me, my link is twitter.com/chachasoplatano, CHACHASOPLATANO. I'll probably post it in the description box. And you guys can follow me if you want. I don't really care if you do, because I'm not thirsty for followers, so But my sister has this shirt, and I never asked her, where did you get that from? Because I don't like asking people where they got their stuff from, because I don't want to seem like I'm jocking their swag or blah blah blah. But I went to the mall, to this store called Against All Odds, and I found it. Look.
Or even this little guy here. That's classes in graphic design, digital media,
that is sexy.
And more.
I wanted this so bad.
You imagine?
And I was watching Sesame Street before I went to work on Sunday, and I was watching Elmo's World, so of course I couldn't forget Elmo. But listen, real talk, like, I like both of these shirts, but I'm not stupid to wear this outside, because I live in the hood and we don't really have no Crips in this area that I live in, and I don't want to wear this outside and I get a bullet popped in my ass, you know what I mean? So I'll be kind of careful wearing this one. I don't really want to wear this one. Well, I want to, but it's just like I don't want them to. It's complicated. It's like you gotta freaking arrange your wardrobe according to the ghettos that want to be outside with all this foolishness. But that's all I brought, so I guess that's it.